How to use Babysits to find a job. Do you absolutely love kids and would like to gain relevant work experience? Do you like being your own boss and choosing your own hours and wage? Whether you are a babysitter, childminder, or nanny, via Babysits you can easily find work in your area. Babysits is here to connect you as a childcare provider with families around the world. And above all, the platform is safe and free to use for babysitters. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Download the app and sign up for free. Fill in your availability, hourly rate, relevant work experience, documents, and if you want, you can even upload a personalized profile video. Create an in-depth profile so your profile stands out from the rest and parents notice you on our platform. Finished filling in your profile? Then it's time to find a babysitting job. Filter on your needs and use the map. By doing this, you can easily find families in your area. When you find an interesting profile, you can send them a message and plan an introductory meeting. Was the introductory meeting a success? Ask the family to book you via our platform and plan the first babysitting appointment. Have fun babysitting!